Hello everyone. This is a quick tutorial for how to make citations from selections in an anthology. So if you're using selections from this bridge called My Back in your essay, which you all are, you'll need to know this format. I'm at the website bibcitation.com, but these rules can apply to whatever citation machine or technique that you use. And the first thing you want to do is make sure that you are using the correct citation style. So in this class, it would be Modern Language Association 8th edition, but you might use different styles in other classes. So you want to add a citation, and it just gives you three most popular options. You can show more if you have another kind of option, but we know that your selection comes from a book, so we're going to start there. And so we type in the book title, This Bridge Called My Back. And you'll see that it has several editions in their database. And so you want to choose the 4th edition, because if you look at the title page in your course pack, that's the edition that I copied for you. Now, you'll see that it starts with book author and gives a couple of options. It's already filled in as Shri Moraga and Gloria Ansaldúa. But the selection that you're using, these two writers are not necessarily the author. They're the editors of the book. And so you want to X those out and change the book to book chapter, because for each of the selections from This Bridge Called My Back, you are going to add a citation for that particular selection. So that's the book chapter. And so say we are going to do the Combahee River Collective, we'll just put that group name as the last name of the author, because that's what you're going to be put in your parenthetical citation. So we'll say the author is the Combahee River Collective. If you are doing La Huera, you would put Shri Moraga here. If you're doing This Master's Tools Will Never Dismantle the Master's House, you would put Audre Lorde in this chapter author. And then you want to, the next fields gives you options for adding. And you see that you want to add book editor, because this book is edited by, as we know, Shri Moraga and Gloria Ansaldúa. So we're going to add 2 in there. Okay, and those are the only 2 editors, so we can leave it at that. And then title of chapter. Well, this is the title of the book, not the title of the chapter. So we need to move that into title of the book. And under title of chapter, the Combahee River Collective's chapter is called A Black Feminist Statement. If you were if you were doing Moraga's piece, you would put La Huera in there and so forth. And then it looks like it has the publisher, but not the place. If we look at the title page, the place is New York. It's Albany, New York. We'll add that in, and then the page numbers are important because you want your reader to be able to find that selection. And so the page numbers for the Combahee River Collective piece go from 210 to 218. You don't need to do the specific pages you're citing, just the entire page range of the piece, because you'll put your page numbers in your actual parenthetical citation. And okay, and it says that the book author, so one thing is I like about bibcitation, it tells you what's missing. It says book author is missing, but we don't have a book author because it's an anthology. We have the editors, we have the chapter author, so we know that we are correct. And here you have your citation that is perfectly formatted, that you can copy and then paste into your works cited page. You also have the option to go back to the editing if you notice something is wrong there. Good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.